Hello dear friends, today we learn about disposal of ammonia. The organisms during the course of evolution have developed different mechanisms for the disposal of ammonia from the body. The animals in this regard are of three different types, that are ammonotelic, uricotelic and ureotelic. In this, first is ammonotelic. The aquatic animals dispose of ammonia into the surrounding water. Second is uricotelic. The ammonia is converted mostly to uric acid, for example reptiles and birds. Last is ureotelic. The mammals including man convert ammonia to urea. Urea is a non-toxic and soluble compound, hence easily excreted. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.